A very good morning to all of you, VIIl D. Hope you all are fine, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so in the previous class we talked about all the topics are related to what? Light. Yes?
Right.
And yes, we talked about the vision. We also talked about how we can take care of our eyes. Any problem in that, children?
Ma'am, I have problem in ma'am exercise to fill in the blanks part D
No,
and E.
that is okay. I think few were left because at that time we were not able to cover all the
Yes,
topics. That is why
ma'am.
I've not given.
Yep.
Yes, so that is not an issue. Don't worry. You'll be getting
Ma'am.
everything. It will not be that everything is left. Anything is left. I'm talking about the topics. Anything? The
No,
last,
ma'am.
the last class we did. Yes, we talked about some simple topics. We talked about taking care of our eyes and our. Yes, any problem in that, children? Vision and anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
so yes, okay. So today we are going to start with a new lesson, a new topic that is lesson number 17, page number 205. Please open to page number 205. Lesson number 17, that is stars and the solar system. Stars and the solar system. Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see children, here in this chapter, this is a chapter where this is a chapter where you do not have so many diagrams, where you do not have so many like equations or all, it's not like that. Here we have something, it is about what we see around us, moreover something that we do not see and we want to see and we want to know about it. So here we are going to study something about you can say a mystery of the universe, that how why it happens, how it happens, ye kaise hai, yes, from where are the stars coming, where do they disappear, how does the sun come, how we get the light, everything about the universe. And like it has been very fascinating. Whenever we talk about it or whenever we discuss about it, we want to know more and more. Many of the times we get to know about the facts. So here basically what I want to say is that this chapter is more based on the facts. So here more than the understanding, I say that learning and revising will be important. So whenever we discuss something, try to revise it the same day, because here like I'll keep explaining, I'll be talking about different things related to the solar system, but then what will be required is your revising and your learning. Many of the times maybe that you come across the fact and you discuss in the class. So what I want to tell you, since this is the first class, what I want to tell you is that those, like, see, we have our own interests. So those who are very much interested in this topic, basically I want to say, so what you can do is you can bring facts, different facts, and it should not be very lengthy, but whenever we start with the class, so every day whoever wishes, I'll just give you time of 2 minutes, and you can tell the facts related to what we are studying or what we have studied in the previous class. Are you getting my point, class 8D?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, like I
Yes,
mean, it
ma'am.
should not be like you have copied a text from somewhere. It shouldn't be like that. In nutshell, something which is important, and then you can share the information. Of course, you'll get a confidence to speak in front of everyone. And the second thing is that we will be getting like we can all cannot like sit and gather the information. But when everybody starts doing that, even if one point is given, 5 points are given every day, so we'll get to know many points till we come to the end of this chapter. So this is what we'll be doing. So that is why I thought of telling you, be prepared with it and just keep collecting the information and keep giving it. Fine, here we have the information that is given in the book. Basically we'll be discussing that, but currently what is there, what changes have occurred, that we can discuss, and by gathering information. So this will be basically an activity for you. Fine. Okay, now when we start with this chapter, children, when we talk about stars and solar system, can anyone tell me what is solar system? A question which is very often asked question. What is solar system?
Solar system includes sun and all the 8 planets.
Sun and all the planets. Okay, fine, correct. It is absolutely correct. So basically, here we are talking in a very broader term. we are not only talking about our mother earth, we are not talking about our own planet, but something more and more than that, and that is we are talking about all the planets which are there, and we'll be talking about the galaxies, we'll be talking about all the stars. You if you have an idea, sun is one of the star, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. And why do we say that?
Yes.
Why do we say that? Why do we call sun as a star?
Because it gives us light.
Yes, please repeat. Please repeat.
Ma'am, because it also shines like stars.
Okay, it shines like stars. Fine. Okay. See, now actually the objects, see the sun, they have their, the stars, they have their own light. This is a characteristic feature. Like moon also shines at night, but it doesn't have its own light. It is not a luminous object. As when we discussed about the luminous object in the chapter light, we talked about luminous and non-luminous objects. Yes, so ones which shine with the light of the other, they are non-luminous, they don't shine with their own light. The same way here, stars, they have their own light, and since sun has its own light, it shines by the light of its own. That is why we call sun as a star. So first we'll talk about the heading of the chapter, as we usually do. But what are we going to study? We are going to study the stars, the division of the heavenly bodies that shine with their own light. We'll be in the second part, we'll be talking about the solar system. That means, as you've already said, that we'll be talking about the planets, and we'll be talking about the sun also, including earth in that. Yes, so we'll be talking about different planets, what is the speciality, how do they look like, what is the shape, yes, then what is special about